of Kenya, and on my own behalf, I am truly delighted to have the honor to welcoming you to this warm and beautiful land in Kenya and to our capital city of Nairobi, the globally famous green city in the sun. I hope you have already experienced our people's legendary hospitality and that you will find some time to explore and enjoy the attractions which have earned us the name Magical Kenya. Maybe at this point it is important for me to tell you maybe 3 things that are important for your stay in Nairobi. Number 1, this is the city, the only one in the world, with a closed canopy forest on one side, the side where we are. This is also the only city in the world that has a national park in the city with wild animals, elephants and rhinos and lions and cheetahs. And just for your information, you may find them in the street sometimes because they break off from the fence of the national park. Please be careful because they are wild. They are not domesticated. And lastly, many of you at the end of this